Hi everyone, my name is Joy, freelance makeup artist in New York, and I want to show you all how to make your yellow eyeshadow show up. So in addition to the eyeshadow and the shadow brushes, I'm going to be using a shadow stick. This one is actually white because the white is actually going to help the yellow to pop off of the skin. So the shadow stick also is a bit creamy, so it's going to be a good base for any color shadow to adhere to. So I'm just going to take the stick here. I'm going to apply it directly to the eye. And we don't have to worry about how neat this is because we're going to actually end up just kind of blending it. So I've got a bit on here. And then I'm going to take my brush and just sort of spread it a little bit. If you're doing it on yourself, it's fine if you want to go ahead and use your fingers for this part. Okay, and so we're blending that up there. And then you'll see when you apply the yellow shadow. Actually, let me show you what it looks like without the base. It's very light. It's actually kind of hard to see, especially on skin tones that have a little bit of a yellower base. Okay, so then let me show it to you over the top of the white. Much easier to see. And since the eyeshadow base is a bit sticky, we want to press rather than sweeping. Okay, and then you can just build it until the yellow is the consistency that you want. We're making sure to cover up all the white there. And blending out to the edges as always. Don't want any lines there. Okay. And there you go. Got a yellow shadow that actually is very visible to see. So I hope this was helpful to everyone, and thank you all for watching. Bye.